Hi, today we're going to take a look at how to use Flipgrid as a screencasting tool and a virtual whiteboard. Flipgrid is a great free tool that encourages video discussion among students. Kids can log in with their Google accounts, and educators can create free accounts either with their Google account or their Microsoft account. So today we're going to look at how to create those screencasts. So I'm going to go, I have my grid, and I have my different topics. I'm going to click Add New Topic. And today, instead of putting a topic in, I'm going to put a short. Shorts are basically quick videos that you can create and share with anyone. These are great if you have a quick instructional video you want to make and share with your students, or maybe just a quick message you want to send out to parents. So I'm going to click Shorts, and then I'm going to click down here where it says Record a Short. Since I want to screencast this, I'm going to click these three little dots. Up here you'll see Screen Recording. You will also see that you can add a video clip if you wanted to. And if you want your video with audio, you're going to leave this turned on. So I'm going to say Screen Recording. Start Screen Recording. You can pick an application window, a Chrome tab. I'm just going to select my entire screen. Gives me the countdown. And now I can go and I can maneuver between my tabs at the top. Let's pretend I was doing a presentation. I can go through my presentation and record each screen while I narrate it. So if I were doing this for students, I could walk them through each slide. When I'm done, you can just click Stop Sharing. So now I have my screen recording and I can go back and listen to it. There was a section in here where there was a long pause when my presentation was loading. If I want, I can come into my Flipgrid and I can grab these endings and I can trim my video to where I really want it to start. So that way I can cut out all this talking at the beginning and the blank screen. When I'm done, I can either delete or confirm. Now it's time to take my selfie, say next, and my short is ready to share. If I wanted to share this, I can copy the URL, I can make a QR code, I can embed it, I can put it to Microsoft Teams or Google Classroom, or share on Remind, or I could just download it. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to record another short, but using the whiteboard. So down here you'll see you have these different icons, and here is the whiteboard. If you click that, you can either have a blackboard or a whiteboard. And then the screen comes up, and then you can record yourself working on this whiteboard. So I would come down here to the record button. It gives me the same countdown. And then I can come in and I can do some work. All the while this is recording. I can also come in and I can add some text if I needed to. I can change, there's photo stickers, there's backgrounds, there's drawing, and there's different filters you can use, and of course the fun stickers. So when I'm done recording, I can come back and I'll just click pause, and then I'll click next. It plays the video for me. I can come in and I can do some work. So this is a nice, easy whiteboard that you can use to demonstrate different things for your students. Students can also use this whiteboard in their videos, and they can also do the same screen recording that I showed just a bit ago. So I'll click next. You have to take your selfie. That's a horrible one. We're just going to say next. And then you'll see my two shorts are available to share. If I wanted to share them, again, I just click on it and I have my choice of sharing it by link or all these other options. So again, you could do the same thing as if you were in creating topics. And students also have the ability to use these tools. So have fun with Flipgrid. I hope this was helpful. Thanks.